Dom here from Essential RC again with the FMS Pilatus PC-21 1.1 meters wingspan with a 4MAX 4S 2200 pack in the front, a 60C pack. Flown this once, really liked it. It's got the reflex gyro system in it, good on a windy day like today. The optimised mode should cancel most of that out. No reason not to come out on a windy day. So let's get it in the air and let's see if I can fly it better second time out. First flight, always a bit apprehensive and exploring what a model can do, but now there's the thing. Ground control, it doesn't want to turn.
It is quite windy, to be fair.
It is. Oh. Turning all by itself. Not going to lead a lot of a run up, I don't think. Right. Okay. Here we go. Knife edge all day.
Beautiful.
Fair little turn in the wind. Come on. Ah, I won't quite do it, I don't. Yes. I enjoyed that. Brilliant. You can really chuck this around a lot more than that that first maiden flight. Really, really good. And the balance is really good. It's super light with that 4S2200 pack, and you get a 4.5 minute flight. So there you go. FMS Pilatus PC-21 turboprop. As close as you'll come to owning a turboprop for the fraction of the price. So it looks, you were saying, Jay, it looks really good with that scale prop on the front.
5-bladed prop really finishes it off, doesn't it?
Yeah, they could have skimped on that and just gone with a, you know, a boring 4-blade, 2-blade prop, but no, they've done it properly. So there you go. Thanks for watching Essential RC. Really appreciate it as always. Thanks to Jay on camera. We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.